Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more video of Trade with Edge, our pre-market report. Let's start with important news update. So, RBI released a press note assuring IndusInd Bank is well capitalized and directed remedial actions in Q4. So, they were assuring that there is no issue with the liquidity or any other financial parameter of IndusInd Bank. Let's see how this impact today IndusInd Bank's move. Vatek Wabak's order worth 360 crore from GAIL and IOCL. Tata Steel shares may retest 180 led by multiple positive catalysts. So this was reported by JP Morgan. CMP is 150, so they expect another 20% recovery in the stock. And metal sector is one of the sector which is resilient in this fall. Adani Green brokerage firm Macquarie has initiated coverage on Adani Green Energy with an outperformer rating and price target of 1200. To note that shareholders lock in these few stocks, recently listed IPOs, is about to end today. So Vishal Megamart 3% of equity, MobiKwik 6% of equity, iCash 2%, Sai Life 4% of equity, and Ratanveer 20% of equity. Now, lock-in is getting over. That doesn't mean they are going to sell their stock, but they were within the lock-in. They were not allowed to sell. Now they can sell. That's the only thing we have to focus here. Ukraine war update. Russian President Putin says he agrees to stop fighting in Ukraine, but it should lead to a long-standing peace. Nispizet Ajay Singh promoter sells 1.515 crore shares, that is 1.47% of equity for 45.34 per share. Ola, some negative news. Rosemeta Digital Services, a maker of high security number plate, has taken Ola Electric to court for defaulting on the payment of 18 to 20 crores. So this would be negative for the stock. Fed meet scheduled on 18 to 19th March. So this weekend around Thursday to Friday, they are about to release the rate cut decision. Zydus Life received final approval for Eluxadoline tablet. Now this is interesting chart published by Morgan Stanley Research. If you look at closely, this chart depicts the India valuation versus rest of the world. Okay, so if you look at the valuation, relative valuation, these are the period where we were looking overvalued, and these are the bottoms where made when we looks undervalued. So this is the 2008 global crisis, and this was the COVID low. So we are close to COVID low as far as our valuation relative to rest of the world valuation as are concerned. So maybe some more dip and then we would be exactly at the COVID low valuation. And these are the extreme times. Maybe we don't know the bottom, where bottom lies and how much further we fall. But next fall, I think next fall would be a good opportunity to get in if that extreme fall comes. So we recommend getting into mutual fund or some passive investment. At least start investing now, because you don't know when the bottom will come. If next panic comes, then you should go all in. So global markets, Friday we have seen a good recovery in US markets. Nasdaq was up 2.61%, US was up 1.5%. Today we see a good opening in Asian markets, plus Gift Nifty is up by almost 150 points. So we are opening a week with a good note. Important is whether we sustain this move or not. On long and short front, CAMS long built up. Ramco, HFCL, Policy Bazaar have seen a short built up. Now let's focus on Nifty chart. Today obviously we are going to open gap up. Now for this week, two level which remains very important are 22,721, which is that gap upper zone and last week's resistance level, and 22,328 on downside, which would be the low for the week. Okay, so obviously with gap open and upside, we'll focus on what level, what are the our intraday buy sell levels. But for a week, if positionally I look at, I'll be looking at these levels closely, and till 22,328 is sustained, any down move would be a good buy opportunity. So this chart looking little in a recovery mode, because see what I see here is last week's global panic. Okay, globally markets were looking weak, but we can see here we sustained, Nifty sustained here. That's positive, that I could see a relative outperformance here, and definitely with breaking of further upside levels, it will open the upside move. If I talk about intraday levels, my today's strong above level is 22. 22,476 is the upside level, for target of 22,567 and further target of 22,675, and week below level would be 22,383, below which 22,300 and 22,274 would be the level. Now here important thing to note is, we can see here some flag kind of pattern is forming. So obviously with this trend line breakout, we would open for this move towards 22,800 level. Positionally, Bank Nifty, last week Bank Nifty averted a major breakdown. So जो last 2 months का range was there, which Bank Nifty was holding on, we almost tested that range with gap down on a IndusInd Bank, that fall day when IndusInd Bank fell by almost 25%. We almost हमने gap करके ये level test कर लिया था. We were about to give a breakdown, but we held on to that level and now some recovery. अब ये एक trend line breakout अगर आता है आज, then obviously we were going for the testing of 49,780 level. So today's candle would be very crucial. How it sustains, that is important to see. But yes, we'll play level to level. और अगर मैं इंट्राडे लेवल्स की बात करूं, then definitely स्ट्रॉन्ग अबो लेवल फॉर बैंक निफ्टी का रहेगा 48,240, इस जिसके ऊपर 48,467 would be the target and 48,605 would be the next level, and downside 48,000 would be the week below level and 47,825 and 48,500 would be target below that. Now obviously today in a gap down, how I'm going to react, because obviously we either हम लोग either ये level के ऊपर खुलेंगे या नीचे खुलेंगे. So idea would be wait for first 15 minutes, let first 10-15 minutes candle form, and then how market reacts. See normally क्या होता है कि गैप अप में मार्केट नीचे आके गैप लेवल फिल करके देन रिकवर होता है, और फर्स्ट कैंडल के आजू बाजू साइडवेज करके देन इट स्टार्ट्स रिकवरिंग. So obviously I'll be, till we are above week below level, I'll be focusing on the long trades. I'm not planning the recovery trades, mean reversion trade, जो bearish trade होगा. Obviously at these levels I might try, but not at open. And especially Nifty में any short trade would be below this level 42,380-70, or any strong up move in this gap zone and then we start reversing, तो यहां पे एक short trade बनेगा. Otherwise I'll be focusing on the buy on the dips, right? So that was for today. And guys, अगर आपको लो रिस्क ट्रेड लेना है इंडाइसिस में और स्टॉक्स में, विच यू कैन होल्ड फॉर सम टाइम विदाउट बॉदर्ड अबाउट द वॉलेटिलिटी, तो आप बटरफ्लाई स्ट्रैटेजी सीखिए. रिसेंटली आई एम आउट विथ अ कोर्स ऑन बटरफ्लाई स्ट्रैटेजी, जहां पे कैसे रिस्क डिफाइंड वे में हम लोग ट्रेड कर सकते हैं इंडाइसिस एंड स्टॉक्स. गो and watch on the link. Soon I am planning to release a PDF book on butterfly strategy. Okay, so soon, within 2-3 days, you will get that book. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Trade safe.